So in this lesson, we're going to look at I2C in more detail. So I2C can be focused around the Arduino, for an example, and how we're going to use it. And so when we use it, we're going to call the Arduino the master device, and we're going to use one master device for us. And so what we can do with I2C is reach out to multiple different sensors or any other object we want to talk to. And these objects we talk to are going to be called slaves. So remember, I2C can have multiple masters and multiple slaves. And so the goal of this is that the master is going to communicate to the slave, and then it's going to ask for information back from the slave, just like these white arrows represent. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of these connections for the slave. So here if I redraw it, so I'm going to put the Arduino on the side now. And then we'll have some other device called an I2C slave. I'll put this in this box. And so there's actually two wires that are needed. So I'm going to use this yellow one to represent the SCL line. And then I'm going to use this red line to represent the other wire, the SDA wire. So SCL and SDA. And then if I had another slave, all I'd have to do is I can use the same wire, I just got to branch it off. So now I give the slave the same clock line and I give it the same data line. Alright, so then what does SCL mean? So SCL is the clock line, and its job is to keep everything on the same page. Alright, so then looking at the SDA line again. So as I said before, SDA is for the data line, and its job is to provide a place for where data can be sent and received.